button. Okay, now you got the next one going. See, so just okay, cut it. Hit cut. Okay. So don't worry. Yeah, don't worry about the clock. Okay, we are up to heat 4 of the 800. And remember, it's girls 800 today because the boys ran away after yesterday's action. And we have in heat 4 Abigail Caulfield of Northport, Tanya Jones of Port Richmond, Dylan St. Lawrence of McKee, Jess Higgins of Ridley, Colleen McGarley of Colts Neck, Danielle Duda of Methacton, Elizabeth Hensley of Northport, Shelby Jones of Pleasant Valley, Anna Rose Wilkinson of Curtis, Giselle Barrios of St. John the Baptist, Victoria Reno of St. Anthony's, Cesara Conroy of Kellenberg, Catherine Elmacher of Easton, Yamin Ali of Townsend Harris. Abigail Caulfield, Northport, holding the lead there. Last three in the race, I think, were Nicole Nadasti of Robinville, Olivia Harden of Tatnall, and Maddie Consuelos of Northwestern LEH Lehman or something. I don't know. Okay, sorry, we have a lot of the names cut off on the sheets here, so we're just kind of guessing about completing the full names. Eight. Shelby Jones of Pleasant Valley in the lead here, along with 113 through the 400 there. Okay, there's good competition up at the top here. Top three cooking around here. Number 3. Oh, Jesus. What? What the? Oh, Jesus. What did he? Oh, thanks God. What did he do? He doesn't have it plugged. Sorry. 228 for the winner. That was number Jess Higgins of Ridley, but